Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am your friend Zaid Afzaldar and you're watching my channel Living in Saudi Arabia. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you receive all notifications on time and every time. If the information provided in this video is useful to you, please like this video. Remember that we work very hard in the background to get you all this information. Today is Wednesday, 13th July 2022. Let's look at today's gold prices in UAE. Starting with the 1 gram price of 24 carats gold without VAT price is 204.22 and with VAT price is 214.43. 22 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 187.47 and with VAT is 196.84. 21 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 178.69 and with VAT is 187.62. 18 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 153.16 and with VAT is 160.82. 14 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 119.47 and with VAT is 125.44. 10 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 85.16 and with VAT is 89.42. Last but not the least, 6 carats gold 1 gram price without VAT is 51.05 and with VAT is 53.60, keeping in mind that the VAT rate in UAE is 5% out of 100. I hope you'll find this information useful, and if this information is useful to you, please like this video and share this information with your friend and family so that everyone gets the latest update. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.